Good morning, everyone. Dr. Alex Hernandez, chiropractor from Life Chiropractic and Acupuncture. I'm here with Maria. Today we're going to show you how to get your knees stronger. I get this question asked a lot at the office, and it's my knees feel weak. You know, when I go up the stairs, I don't feel so strong. When I go down the stairs, I have some difficulty, or actually have to go one step at a time when I have to go down the stairs. So there's some quick ways, some good things you could do at home, at the gym, and we're going to show you with Maria. So one of the things that we tell people to get stronger is to do what we call air squats. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate an air squat and then I'll show you with Maria. So basically an air squat is you're going to do a squat in the air, and this is what it looks like. Now, as simple as that may seem, many people get it wrong. So today I want to make sure you're clarified so you don't hurt your knees, you actually get them stronger. So a proper technique of doing a squat, all right, I'm going to demonstrate it and I'll show you with Maria, is pretend that you're going to sit. You got to put your butt back and pretend that you're going to sit, and then you travel all the way down, making sure that the knees are right in front of your toes. You don't want to go forward, which I will show you with Maria. So Maria, let's do a regular squat, okay? So we're going to look at Maria. That's perfect squat. You can come on up, all right? So the first step that you want to do is you want to put your butt back. So go ahead, put your butt back. And then you're going to bring yourself down. You could go a little further. And you want to make sure that the knees are not past your toes. This is the common error that people make. You can come on up, Maria. Why don't we show them how some patients, when we teach them in the beginning, they do the squat wrong. What do? They go forward. So we can see that. And Joe, hopefully you're catching that. This is going over about 2 inches in front of her toes. This is causing a lot of stress right here on the cartilage, on the tendon, so don't do that. All right, come back up, and now let's break it down into 2 pieces. So, easy way to do it, butt back, and then you're gonna squat down. All right, let's try that, Maria. So, butt back, and then you're gonna squat down. All right, come back up. In the beginning, if your knees are weak, this is not gonna be so comfortable for you. As you start to do this over and over again, you'll start to gain some strength. And what do you want to do? You want to gain strength along the cartilage here. You want to gain strength along what we call your shin muscles. This is your tibialis anterior muscle. And you also want to get the inside part. Turn this way, Maria. You want to get the inside part of your knee strong, as well as your ligaments. This is what's going to allow you to be able to go up and down the stairs without pain, without discomfort. So, hopefully you can start practicing. I would say maybe start doing 1 set of 30 squats per day. You can also, if that's too much for you, you can do 2 sets of 15 and then work your way up until you get to 1 set of 30. Thank you.